Discover yourself and develop your intrinsic talent to achieve happiness and success using paths. Built based on Bazi, the time-tested Asian personality profiling system, the Bazi profiles described within this interactive mobile app will help you discover yourself, your passion, and motivations to develop your intrinsic talent to competencies and ultimately achieve happiness and success in your life's journey.
After downloading the Paths app, click on the Paths icon to open the app. Scroll down to your Inborn Personality tab. Enter your name and press Next. Click Continue at the bottom of the screen to progress to the next page. Read through the privacy policy and press Continue. Enter your personal information, and when you're done, press Completed. To progress to the next segment, please complete the survey and press Continue. Press Get Report to preview your Bazi profile. Navigate down the page and click on the links to open the explanation of the terms. Click Continue to progress to the JYPQ chart and explanation. The JYPQ chart explains the different facets of ourselves. Some obvious to others, while others are not. When we understand these perspectives, we can better manage ourselves and the perception of us to be more successful, and at the same time achieve better communication and relationship with others. Your base profile is the one encased in a red rectangle in the JYPQ chart. This is the profile that you are most comfortable with, and by focusing on building your skills for this profile, you will be happier and thus more successful at work in the longer term. You can explore more in the Career Development tab of this mobile app. Navigate down the page and click on the links to open the explanation of the terms. Press Continue to proceed to the next segment. Before reaching the next segment, you will need to complete a survey about yourself. After explaining to you your Bazi profile and the JYPQ chart, we hope that you have a better understanding of yourself, your career, as well as your relationships with others. This app is very straightforward and user-friendly, so get started right now and check out your Bazi profile.